What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we have a video that I recorded about a month ago. I forgot to finish editing it and post it, but I'm going to be doing some struts today with my 2.5-inch wheel spacers, and at the end I'll be giving you guys a little look about how it looks with the leveling kit on it. It took out almost all the rake that it had. It used to sit like really dipped in the front, but let's hop right in. See if we can rearrange some stuff and get you guys a little view of what we're looking at. You guys can see I got a ship strut here. Put the spacers on a couple months ago, and I knew the strut was bad to begin with, but I didn't care. So I'm gonna go ahead and get down with it. Alright, so we got the wheel off. Most of this stuff is loosened up for the strut to come out almost. And up here, see, we got my head bolts. They don't look all that bad. Take a, what's that?
On the phone?
No.
You talking to yourself?
Yeah.
You in hand?
No, I'm good. So, they don't look too bad.
The bag, yeah.
Yeah.
So as soon as I get finished with one, I'm going to bring it over here, throw it on.
Wheel spacers. Strut spacers. Alright guys, so we're going with the Detroit axle strut. I haven't heard anything too good or too bad about them. And then we threw our 2-inch spacers, 2.5 back on top. Now you do bolt those into there, and then the old studs go up. So let's throw it back together.